Subscribe my channel and click on bell button to get alert for my new recipes.
Hello friends, welcome back to Yummy Feast by Neha. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chole Hot Pockets or Chole Puffs. You can make these as a party snack or as an evening snack with leftover cholas. Let's go and check the ingredients first. To make Chole Hot Pockets or Chole Puffs, we will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1.5 or 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of oil, water, it's a chilled water, and leftover cholas. So let's start with making or with kneading the dough for the chola pockets or chola puffs. Let's start. Now we'll make the dough for the Chole Hot Pockets or Chole Puff. So I have took the all-purpose flour here, and I'll put the baking powder and salt. I will give it a mix. And then I'll put the oil. Now I'll mix the oil in the all-purpose flour, and I'll make the flour a little bit crumbly. As you can see, the flour is crumbly, and when you hold it in your fist, it will make the shape like a ball. Now I'm going to put the water and make the dough. Make sure the dough that you make should stiff. It took me around more than half, or you can say 3/4 cup of water to knead this dough. Our dough is ready, and the dough has softened a little bit. Now I'll knead this dough a little bit, and then I'll divide the dough into 3 equal parts. I have divided the dough into 3 parts, and now I'll roll one part of the dough. I have rolled the dough, and now I'm going to cut it into the rectangle shapes. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the corners so that I make it in the rectangle shape. So now I'm going to cut this dough into the 2 parts. And again I'll cut each part into the half. And I'm going to do the same with the rest of the dough. I'm going to take some water, and I will apply it on the corners of each rectangle. Now I'm going to put chola on one of the sheet and I will cover the another sheet on top of it. Now I'm going to cover the sheet with now I have covered both the sheets and I'm going to press it with a fork little so that it can seal properly. I have stuffed all the dough with chola and now I'm going to fry them in the medium flame. I have put the oil on the pan on the medium flame and to check if the oil is done, I'm putting a small piece of dough and let's see if the oil is done. So as you can see, the dough is slowly coming up on the surface. So this means that the oil is perfectly done. And now I'm going to fry them. Now I am taking them out as they are golden brown in color. They have turned into the golden brown in color, so I am taking them out. Chole Hot Pockets are ready now. You can serve them hot with green coriander chutney or with tomato sauce. If you like the recipe, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you and happy cooking.